Hey, hi. Remember when Chota Cola cost rupees 5? Today, the same 200 ml cost rupees 20. That's 4 times more. What happened? Inflation. Yes, we have all learned the definition of inflation in our economics class. And here's where it bites. Today, you can't even buy a bottle of water for rupees 5. Meaning, if you had kept rupees 5 in your wallet in 2002 and took it out today, hoping कि आज कुछ ठंडा हो जाए, you will realize that you can buy almost nothing because inflation has eaten your 5 rupees. And this is why most people invest to fight inflation with the power of compounding. So if you would have invested rupees 5 for 20 years in an investment that give 12% returns, you would have got 48 instead of rupees 5. That's worth almost 10 times more. And yes, that's the power of compounding.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.